Ito pala yung components ng cash flow statements. So, yung operating activities, yung revenues, yung kinikita, and then yung operating expenses. Yung ginagastos ng iyong daily operations. Sample, utilities, ganyan, including the internet subscription. So, yun yung operating activities. Yung investing activities naman, sale or purchase of assets. Nag-i-invest ka ba? Lupa, building, ganyan. So, and then yung financing activities mo, issuing shares. Well, may mga shares ka, and then nagre-raise ka ng debt. Kung baka may pinopondohan ka. So, yun pala yung components ng cash flow statement. So, magandang malalaman natin to. Although, yung cash flows, yung net cash flows, alam na natin yung mga formulas niyan. But itong mga operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities, yung mga example nito, ito yung mga nakalimutan ko na. 10 years after I graduated or 16 years after I started or enrolled in yung sa master's ko sa MBA. Ito yung mga nakalimutan ko na. So, it is a sort of recall for me. So, yun lang po.